Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by defining who you write for and why. Be specific about persona and pain points. Once done, choose a narrow topic and set a target length like 801, 200 words so output stay focused. Next, copy 3 quick notes or source snippets to paste into the chat. This anchors facts and voice. Now send a short instruction. Request an outline with H2, target audience, tone, and a CTA. That first exchange creates structure and saves revision time. You now work section by section to avoid overwhelming the model. First, have Chatgpt expand one H2 into a 150-250 word paragraph with examples and a clear transition into the next section. Make sure to ask for subheadings, lists, or data points where useful. After each section, request a revision. Tighten sentences, swap passive voice, or add an anecdote. This iterative approach keeps quality high and helps you control pacing, tone, and factual accuracy. You finish by asking Chatgpt for headline options and 2 meta descriptions so publishing is fast. Once done, perform a cohesion pass. Ensure the intro matches the body and the conclusion includes a single clear CTA. Make sure to run a quick fact check on any claims. If something's off, instruct Chatgpt to correct with sources or explicitly mark it as opinion. If outputs repeat or hallucinate, shorten prompts, supply explicit facts, and ask for numbered edits to control revisions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.